here. Today guys, I have another unboxing. This is from eBay and I am super excited to share this with you guys. Now this particular handbag that I picked up, I am really hoping that will resurface back on I Love Dooney or Dooney.com this year, especially being that they have brought out this particular silhouette over the Christmas holiday in the Florentine and pebble green leather. So let's go ahead and jump straight into this unboxing, guys. So let's go ahead and see what bag I picked up. Alright, so this is how it was sent to me, and you guys can kind of see a little peek of it right there. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Alright, and they do have a receipt in there. So this is it with the tissue paper, and here it is, guys. So it does have the sticker on it. It is the Olivia Satchel in the color fuchsia. Now I will say right offhand, this bag does have like a little smell to it. So I know I'm probably going to have to air this bag out. I'll probably stuff it with some newspaper or whatnot and hopefully that'll get the smell out. It's not horrible, but it's definitely an odor to it. Alright, so it does come with the tag, and it did say new with tags. So yep, the tag does say right there, and it does say Olivia Satchel in the color fuchsia on there. Oh, actually on the other side it has another sticker, guys, and this one says the body is 81% PVC and 19% cotton. Okay. And the trim is 100% genuine leather. The lining is 35% cotton and 65% polyester. So that's what the sticker says on the other side. I haven't seen that before. Alright, so as you can see, the handles are still wrapped in plastic. And it does come with the pocket on both sides of the bag. It has the D-rings on here for the crossbody. It does come with the Dooney and Bourke gold plate on the front, and of course it does come with feet on the bottom. Now just looking over this bag really quickly, I don't see any marks or anything on the bag initially. The bottom looks really clean. Alright, so it does have gold hardware. It does come with the braided zipper pull as well too. So let's take a peek in the inside. And that is how it's looking in the inside. It looks like it comes with the registration card, but it comes with the signature Dooney zip and slip pocket on the back wall. It does have the registration card here. And let's see if it matches. Color is fuchsia. Oh, and it has the sticker in the bag. So that is the sticker for it as well too. And let's see. Yep, the sticker matches as well too, guys. And alright, so it does come with the crossbody here. And it's still wrapped. And it is adjustable here, as you guys can see. So let me pull that back so you guys can see that. There we go. So it is adjustable. It doesn't look like this is the 3-part. No. This is just the one. Okay. So it is just the regular crossbody, but it is adjustable, and it is still attached to the key holder as well too. And then on the front side of the bag, you do get the snap pocket here and you get a slip pocket on this side as well too, guys. And the interior of this bag does look pretty clean as well too, so it definitely doesn't look like it's been used at all. No, looks really clean. So I'm probably just gonna wipe this bag down like I did the other one. And like I said, I'll probably stuff it with some newspaper to kind of get rid of that smell. It just smells kind of like old. Not like the bag is old, but it kind of has like a old stale like smell to it or whatever. So hopefully I'll be able to get that smell out by just stuffing it with newspaper. But other than that, guys, this bag is in pretty much perfect condition, guys. I like that they kept the handles wrapped. So of course, let me pull the wrapping down so I can show you guys what the handle looks like. So that's the handle on the bag, and it definitely doesn't have any wear on it whatsoever, and it is a lighter. It hasn't been tanned yet. So I'll now bring my other bag out so I can show you guys what I mean. Alright, so this was the one that I got a few days ago, and this is the new one. And as you guys can see, the vachetta leather on the fuchsia one has not yet been tanned like how it is on the seafoam one. So yeah, definitely can tell that this bag was not used. It wasn't placed in any form of sunlight. So super excited to have this in my collection. So this is my Olivia satchel in the color fuchsia, and this is in the chevron print. I forgot to mention that when I did my video on the seafoam one, but this is in the chevron print, guys, and I am so excited to have my second Olivia satchel added to my collection. Now, like I said, guys, I am really hoping that Dooney and Bourke will bring back the Olivia satchel in rotation this year. But if not, I may end up collecting another one, having to collect another one off of the secondhand market. But so far, I struck gold on both of these bags because they both came in excellent condition. So yeah. If you guys have stuck around this far, please make sure to like this video as well as leave a nice comment down below. And if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button as well too. It is absolutely free to you. And let me know down in the comments, guys, do you have an Olivia satchel in your collection if you're a Dooney girl? And will you be considering picking up one if Dooney does drop this on the site this year? Let me know down in the comments, guys. Alright, so until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye!